you how to get 1,000 subscribers very easily and very quickly. So, is it possible? Is it clickbait? Or is it cap? Well, no, it's perfectly true and easy if you follow my advice in this video. So how? Shorts is how. At this time, YouTube is pushing shorts out everywhere, on the whole page, the shorts feed, and even recommendations. Why are they doing this? Because they're competing with the likes of TikTok. And they want you to stay on the YouTube platform for as long as possible. So, if you start to upload shorts yourself, you're more likely to get noticed. And you can upload shorts very quickly, but not just any old shorts. Follow what I'm about to tell you to make sure you're not wasting your time and hit your target quickly. So, how do we start? How can we be assured of success? Okay, first you should look at other creators in your area of content or the content that you wish to pursue. Look for 5 or 6 of the most successful creators of that type of content and follow their lead. And look at how they put their content together. And most importantly, look at the keywords they're using in their title. These are the driving factor to their success. You need to start using these exact same keywords. In fact, you can totally copy their title, assuming it's the exact same content. Don't worry about being accused of copying. You're not copying the video. You're just maximizing the appeal of the title. Now, let's look at the title. Experiment with different ways of titling your videos, and once you have found one that works well, keep using the same format on your next video shorts. How long should your video be? As long as it's less than 59 seconds and it's interesting all the way through, it doesn't really matter if it's 5 seconds or 59 seconds. Just keep it straight to the point. Now, because shorts are very easy to make, it means you'll be able to produce 2 or 3 a day if you want to reach your goal quickly. What is the best time to upload your video? It's widely considered that there are 2 periods that are more successful. The first is 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the other is 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. These are times when there's a larger audience. So, that's the blueprint for hitting that 1,000 subscribers target. Let's sum it up. Number 1, start producing 2 to 3 shorts in a day. Number 2, look at successful creators in your content field or niche. Number 3, make sure you have a great title. Use the same keywords or even the same title as successful creators. Number 4, use great lighting and audio, plus a good background. Number 5, keep your video interesting all the way through, no matter the length. Number 6, upload your shorts at the best time for the algorithm to pick up, which is usually between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. And that's it. You now have your blueprint to success. How do I know it will work? I used this formula twice on 2 different channels recently. My first channel rose from 2,500 subscribers to 6,300 subscribers, and my second channel rose from 850 subscribers to 3,370 subscribers. This one actually hit the 1K in a matter of days, and now after 1 month, it's still growing at a fast rate. Hopefully you'll get the same kind of success. Good luck and happy hunting!